Hi students, now we have done almost all the questions of textbook exercise 9.1. Now we will look into few questions from R.D. Sharma guide. Please look at the question now. If the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point h meters above a lake is alpha and the angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is beta, prove that height of the cloud is h into tan beta plus tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay. We have to show that height of the cloud, that is, let it be h. Height of the cloud is h into tan beta plus tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. This is a question. Okay. Now we look into the question. The question is given that the angle of elevation, if the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point h meters above a lake. So we can consider this line as a lake. So from a point h meter above a lake. So let this be the point h meter above the lake. Okay. From a point h meter above a lake, the angle of elevation of a cloud is alpha. So we can consider from this point is the angle of elevation. So from here we have to look upside, isn't it? So let this be the cloud. Here we can consider, let C be the cloud. Okay. So the angle of elevation of the cloud from a point h meter above the lake. This line, this horizontal line is the lake. So from this line, the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point which is h meter above the lake. So this is a lake. Okay. So from the lake h meter above a point we have considered. So from this point the angle of elevation to the cloud is alpha. So we will draw a line parallel to the horizontal line. Now the angle of elevation to the cloud from this point is given, it is alpha. Okay. So here it is, since it is here it is h, here also we can take, let this be A, this is B. So here it is the same height h. Next sentence it is given, and the angle of depression of its reflection, reflection of what? Of the cloud, reflection of the cloud in the lake is beta. So before that we will consider BC equal to x. Okay. So angle of depression of the reflection of the cloud in the lake is beta. So reflection of the cloud means what? It will be same height, same length, isn't it? So it will be, here it is what? The height from here to here it is what? This we can consider as h. h equal to h plus x, isn't it? So the same height will be the reflection in the lake, isn't it? So this much length it will be h plus x. So the angle of depression of its reflection of the cloud in the lake is what? Beta. So from here when we look into the lake, its reflection is found to be beta. Hope it is clear. So this is a reflection of the cloud. So this we can take it as A, B, C. Here we can take it as D. This point B, E. Okay. And the angle of depression is what? That is beta. The question is, prove that height of the cloud is h into tan beta plus tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. Hope the question is clear. Okay, I'll repeat the question once again. If the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point h meter above a lake. So we have taken a lake first, and h meter above a lake we have considered a point. From this point the angle of elevation of the cloud is alpha. And that is the angle we got here, it is alpha, angle of elevation is alpha. And the next sentence is angle of depression of its reflection, reflection of what? Of the cloud in the lake is beta. So reflection of the cloud means how much height is the cloud right now? It is h plus x. So that much will be the reflection, isn't it? So we will take a line that is of height h plus x. So its reflection is what? Beta. Now finally we have to show that, prove that height of the cloud is h into tan beta plus tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. So height of the cloud means what? That is total. We have to find this height. Here we know already BE, from here to here it is h we have given. So we have to find the value of x, and when we add it with h, we will be able to finally get the value of h, height of the cloud. Okay, finally we need to find height of the cloud, that is capital letter H. That h is equal to what? H plus x. We have to find the value of x, and if we add with h, we will be able to prove that height of the cloud is h into tan beta plus tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. Hope it is clear. Okay, we will now solve it. It's very easy only, students. Okay, now for that solving, as usual, we will first consider one of the triangle. So we will consider the first triangle. We have two triangles here, that is ABC, isn't it? ABC, and which is the second triangle? ABD. In both the triangle ABC and ABD, the common side is AB. So we can take it as Y. Okay, now answer. First we will consider in triangle ABC, tan alpha, that is what? Opposite, that is BC, by adjacent, that is AB. Here tan alpha, there is no value to substitute, so we will keep it as tan alpha only. BC, that is what? X by Y. Okay, tan alpha equal to x by y. Now the common side is y, so we will make an equation using y, isn't it? So y equal to, therefore y equal to x by tan alpha, take it as equation 1. Hope it is clear. Now similarly, we will look into the second triangle, that is ABD. Okay, so now in triangle ABD, tan beta, isn't it? The angle is beta, so tan beta equal to opposite, that is BD by adjacent, that is what? AB. That is equal to what? Tan beta equal to, here when we take BD, we should be a bit careful. BD. So here BE is H. So BD means what? That is H plus X. Okay. Here BD is what? BD means that is BE plus ED. Okay. BE itself is what? H plus BE. BE is H and BD is H plus X, isn't it? So this H plus X, that is what? 2H plus X. Hope it is clear. Okay, so BD is 2H plus X by AB, that is what? Y. Okay, therefore finally, Y equal to 2H plus X by tan beta. That is equation 2. Hope it is clear. Now from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 y equal to x by tan alpha, isn't it? That is equal to what? Y equal to 2h plus x by tan beta, isn't it? Now we need to find the value of x, isn't it? Our aim is to get the value of x, and that value if we add with h, we will be able to find the height of the cloud. So for that we will do the cross multiplication here. So x into tan beta, that is x tan beta equal to tan alpha into 2h plus x is tan alpha into 2h plus x. Okay, that is equal to, we will open the bracket here, that is tan alpha into 2h. Okay, tan alpha into 2h is, we will open the bracket here, tan alpha into 2h, it is what? 2h tan alpha plus tan alpha into x is x into tan alpha. Okay, now that is what? X tan beta. Our aim is to find the value of x, isn't it? So for that, x terms we will take to one side. So that is equal to what? X tan beta minus x tan alpha, that is equal to 2x tan alpha. Now we will take x slowly outside the bracket. So that is what? X into tan beta minus tan alpha equal to 2h tan alpha. Therefore, finally, x equal to 2h tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay. Now we got the value of x. Okay. Our aim is to find the value of the capital letter H here, isn't it? That is the total height of the cloud. So total height of the cloud is what? H plus x. We now found the value of x. Along with that, we will add h, isn't it? For that, I will drop here. So therefore h equal to x plus h equal to, what is x? That is 2h tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha plus h. Okay. Now we will do the cross multiplication. That's equal to what? 2h tan alpha plus h into tan beta minus tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. Hope it is clear. That is equal to what? That's equal to, now we will open the bracket here. So that is 2h tan alpha plus h tan beta minus h tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay. Now 2h tan alpha minus h tan alpha. 2 times h tan alpha minus h tan alpha is 1 h tan alpha, isn't it? So that's equal to what? H tan alpha plus h tan beta by tan beta minus tan alpha. Hope it is clear up to here, isn't it? Now from the numerator, we will take the term h term outside. Okay, slowly take h term outside. So I'll rub here. So therefore finally the value will be equal to what? Take h outside. So h into, what's remaining here? Tan alpha plus tan beta by tan beta minus tan alpha. So this is the required value of the height of the cloud. Hope it is clear. Please take to notebook, students.